Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. I finally moved my hosta. I'm going to show you how it looks. Follow me. Oh, look, we still have some more here. Oh, there's not much left. So now I'm not sure where I'm supposed to put it, so I'm just talking to myself. This is actually come in and close and this is how I divide it.
Nice.
So that way
Nice and effective.
you've got two root balls here. I'm going to come over here and plant this one.
Break it all up, get it all nice and
All right, let's get that guy. I don't know if something's here, so if we find out, we'll be moving.
let's give it a shot.
I kind of like the hostas kind of being curved around like that. I don't know that I could do it on the other side because it gets a lot more sun and hostas are shady. Okay, all done. All done with the hosta. I'll give you some updates later, guys. So this is where the hosta was moved from. It was all the way behind here. Look at that little narrow pathway, right? So that's where my first one went. Better view like this. And so I've got a nice little kind of curve, a little arc happening around the boxwood there, and I really like the way that looks. If you're looking a little further, like that doesn't look like a hosta. It's because it's not. It's one of my cone flowers. It's finally starting to show. And come over here. Is that another one? Is that another one, or is that a weed? We'll find out. But the purple hearts are doing well. They're about 3-4 inches tall now, both of them. Both doing great. Nothing happening in the sedum area. Nothing really happening over here yet. I'm not even seeing the other coneflowers popping in, but we're finally getting some really warm weather. We had a week in the 80s and we had some rain, so I'm hoping things really start popping up. So these are the other hostas I have on this side here. We'll get a close up. They're looking really nice, aren't they? That's what it's looking like. And then my daylilies. These guys are shooting out of the ground. They're just blooming fast. Looking very good. I can't wait to see what color they are. I'm guessing probably orange. I'm not sure if that is one of the Mexican petunias or not. Right there too, right there too. It's kind of in place, so we'll have to see what happens with those. I just want to give a special shout out to my YouTube friend Martha on Living Backyard. Martha just bought her first hosta because she was so excited for my enthusiasm with my videos. Martha bought a dry root one, which I've never done before. The only way I've grown them is by dividing the roots, which you saw a few minutes ago.
The hostas need mostly shade. They can tolerate some sun. If they get too much shade and too much moisture, you're going to get slugs, and slugs are just awful. I remember years ago, my mom had these beautiful hostas at one of her homes, and she could not get rid of the slug problem. So I ended up finding a fridge magnet with the slug and got it for her. Because that's the kind of kid I am. Anyway. Anything I can do to help you, any questions, you let me know. Okay, so this part of my garden is much more in the shade. The sun comes from this side here over here. So I have all of these shady hostas on this side here, but then on this side here, they get a lot more sun. They do get shielded a little bit because I do have, you know, a carport and it's in between, but they get a lot more sun than the other side. So I'm curious to see this year how they compare with those kind of growing conditions. My petunias are doing beautifully. Look at those, huh? And lastly, these are my hyacinths. Look at these guys. Look at them. They're still green. They're still thick. Look at these leaves. I had no idea. So anyway, I watch them every day to see what's going to happen, but you know, they obviously have a long life and they're in no hurry to go anywhere. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Toodles.